guys. I just love going home from work in the dark. It's only a little after 5. It's 5:23. And it's dark already. Ooh, icy. It's icy too because it's cold. Oh my word, it is cold. Ah, I dropped my key. Oh, where'd it go? Can't see it because it's dark. Seriously, where'd the key go? There it is. Get this thing started, get this car warming up. So, are you done? I just got off work and it's an exciting day because I got a package in the mail. I've been waiting for this to get here. It was supposed to get here yesterday, but I think because of the snowstorm we had over the weekend also affected Kansas, and it came in through Kansas, and so it got delayed a day. I'm guessing it's because of snow. Anyway, it's here. I'm really excited to show you guys. I'm excited to open it up, and I'm going to try it out, install it tonight, and give a full semi-comprehensive review. I know you're wondering what it is, but you're just going to have to wait a second. Well, you probably already know what it is because of the title of the video. But I'm going to get going home and then we'll get this thing installed. Alright, so I got the August lock, Smart Lock Pro with Connect. So I'm going to open it up here and then we're going to get it installed and see how well it works. Okay, so I open it up and that's the inside of the package. Contains the lock. Ooh, I love this part. Oh, and there's one around the outside too. Ta-da! The Connect unit that plugs into an outlet. This connects to your Wi-Fi so that you can unlock the lock from anywhere in the world. And then the mounting hardware. Instructions, which I never read, but I probably will read. Mounting hardware, and then the different connectors depending on what kind of lock you have. Oh yeah, and then this part is the door sensor, so that it can sense if the door is shut or not. So let's get it installed. Say hello.
Hello.
Cutest bunny ever, other than Zeus. Alright, so I'm on the home screen of the app and you have received an invite, set up my first August device, or sign in. This is my first device, so we're going to tap that. And now I want you to create an account, which I will do so. Alright, so I got the account set up and now it's taking me through the steps to install. So first, let's get your lock installed on your door. So hit start. Now it's telling me what I need. I need a Phillips head screwdriver and then all of the parts that are in the box. I have everything I need. Step 1, prepare your existing deadbolt. Use the tape to tape to the outside and keep the lock in place. Then we're going to remove the existing thumb turn. Then we're going to adjust the screw holes. Put them onto the plate on the inside. Attach that to the door. And then you pick which kind of lock you have. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed. It looks pretty straightforward, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I got the tape on the outside of the door, so now I can work on the inside. The green adapter for mine. Alright, so we just open up these wings. Now we put it on the door. Just like that. Remove the tab. Ta-da! Oh, I see, it's just magnetic. Wow. Alright, so I got the lock installed, and I also installed the door sense sensor right here, which detects if the door is shut or not. And it just locked, so I'm guessing one of the people in my family just accepted their invite, and they are unlocking and locking the door from their phone. Yep, my son Karsten is locking and unlocking the door because I just sent him an invite and he's already using it.
It works.
It works. Come show me. See your phone screen here. So it's locked. Unlocked. So we'll see how well this works. It's really cool. We can send invites to other people to be able to get into our house on a temporary basis. You can schedule day of the week, time, whatever, for them to be able to access. Approval. 2 thumbs up. Now that's all my son's going to do now is lock and unlock the door all night, and I get a notification every time it locks and
Every
unlocks.
time?
Yes.
Wow, thanks for telling me.
So I'm going to have to change that right now because that's going to get annoying. That's going to do it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.
Be